Just when many people had finally accepted that the era of truly compact smartphones was over and that one-hand-friendly devices were destined to become relics of the past, new leaks and industry chatter suggest Apple may be preparing an unexpected comeback that could reshape the small phone conversation in a big way. Because as we move deeper toward the end of 2025, early information surrounding Apple's 2026 product roadmap has started to surface. And among the usual Pro models, Plus variants, and flagship headlines, one rumored device is quietly generating massive excitement across tech forums, supply chain circles, and longtime Apple fans, namely the iPhone 17 mini, a device that, according to analyst reports, component sourcing data, and manufacturing whispers, could mark the return of Apple's smallest iPhone form factor, but this time with a strategic twist that makes it far more compelling than before. Since instead of positioning it as a niche premium option, Apple is allegedly planning to integrate this compact model into a new budget-oriented lineup, effectively creating a powerful, modern, small iPhone that delivers flagship-level performance without an extreme price tag, which is especially exciting for users who have been clinging to older compact devices like the iPhone 12 mini or iPhone 13 mini because nothing else on the market fits their needs. And if these leaks hold true, the iPhone 17 mini could finally become the long-awaited upgrade that doesn't force them into oversized displays. Starting with the most important aspect of any mini phone, the physical size and design, where sources suggest Apple is experimenting with a compact footprint ranging between roughly 5.4 inches and just under 6.1 inches, maintaining the core philosophy of easy one-handed use while subtly modernizing the overall ergonomics to match Apple's 2026 design language, meaning the outdated notch is reportedly gone for good, replaced by a refined dynamic island that allows more usable screen area without increasing the phone's dimensions, complemented by slimmer bezels, flatter edges, and a lightweight aluminum frame paired with a glass back to strike a balance between durability, premium feel, and cost control, with color options likely sticking to classic tones such as black, white, and possibly a refreshed blue or green to keep production simple, while avoiding expensive materials like titanium that remain exclusive to Pro models. And on the display side, Apple appears to be deliberately conservative in order to protect its higher-end lineup, as leaks indicate the iPhone 17 mini will feature a Super Retina XDR OLED panel, potentially sourced from optimized or surplus manufacturing processes similar to earlier iPhone generations, but still offering excellent contrast, accurate colors, deep blacks, and peak brightness levels around 1200 nits, which is more than sufficient for everyday outdoor use, even though the refresh rate is expected to stay locked at 60 Hz, once again skipping promotion for non-Pro devices, a decision that may disappoint spec-focused enthusiasts but will likely go unnoticed by the broader audience who prioritize battery life, visual clarity, and reliability over ultra-smooth scrolling, especially on a smaller screen where 60 Hz remains perfectly usable. And while the display plays it safe, performance is where this rumored iPhone 17e mini reportedly becomes far more aggressive than anyone expected, as multiple independent leaks point toward Apple equipping it with the next generation A19 chip, built on an advanced 3nm process, featuring a highly efficient 6-core CPU, an upgraded 5-core GPU, and a powerful 16-core neural engine designed specifically to handle on-device machine learning, real-time image processing, and Apple Intelligence features, which means that despite its compact size and budget positioning, this phone could easily outperform many flagship Android smartphones released in the same year, especially in sustained performance, AI workloads, and long-term software optimization. And to fully support these capabilities, Apple is rumored to finally increase RAM to 8GB, a significant jump for a non-Pro iPhone and a crucial upgrade that ensures smoother multitasking, better longevity, and full compatibility with upcoming iOS features over several years, while storage options are expected to start at a practical 128GB and scale up to 256GB and even 512GB for users who rely heavily on photos, videos, apps, and offline content, with connectivity also seeing meaningful improvements, as internal code references suggest the iPhone 17 mini could debut Apple's in-house C1 modem, a long-anticipated move that would reduce reliance on third-party suppliers, improve signal stability, and enhance power efficiency, especially when combined with support for Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 6, and USB-C. All of which align with modern standards and regulatory requirements while contributing to better overall battery management. Which brings us to what may be the most surprising aspect of this rumored device, the battery, because leaks indicate Apple may be targeting a capacity in the range of approximately 4,050 mAh, a figure that seems almost unbelievable given the mini chassis. Yet if achieved through denser battery technology and efficiency gains from the A19 chip and C1 modem, it could translate to around 20 hours of mixed usage, effectively eliminating the biggest weakness of previous mini iPhones, and charging is expected to remain practical rather than revolutionary, with 20W wired charging and the likely return of MagSafe support in the 15W to 20W range, offering convenient magnetic accessories without pushing costs too high, while the camera system reflects Apple's renewed focus on simplicity paired with computational photography, as the iPhone 17 mini is rumored to feature a single rear camera setup, but instead of being a compromise, this lens is expected to be a high-quality 48-megapixel sensor capable of delivering detailed photos, strong low-light performance, and advanced digital zoom through sensor cropping, all powered by the A19's image processing pipeline, with video capabilities reportedly including 4K recording at 60 frames per second with improved stabilization, proving that multiple lenses are not a requirement for excellent photography when software and hardware are tightly integrated, while the front-facing camera is likely to remain at 12 megapixels, though some speculative reports hint at a possible upgrade to an 18-megapixel sensor to improve selfies, FaceTime clarity, and video calls, especially in low-light conditions. And when it comes to availability and pricing, production timelines suggest trial manufacturing could begin as early as April 2025, setting the stage for a spring 2026 launch window, possibly in May, which would strategically separate this model from the main iPhone 17 lineup typically announced in September, allowing Apple to capture attention during a quieter part of the year. And pricing leaks currently point to a starting price around $599 for the 128GB version, with a 256GB variant near $699. And while some fans hope for a $499 entry point, that figure appears increasingly unrealistic given inflation, component costs, and Apple's positioning strategy, though carrier promotions and trade-in deals could make it far more accessible in practice, potentially turning it into one of the best-selling compact smartphones on the market. And if this device does indeed materialize as described, it may represent one of Apple's smartest strategic decisions in years, because there is a large, underserved audience that actively dislikes oversized phones, doesn't want a tablet in their pocket, and values comfort, portability, and one-handed usability just as much as performance. And by combining a compact design, dynamic island, flagship-level A19 performance, modern connectivity, strong battery life, and a relatively accessible price, the iPhone 17e mini would fill a gap that almost no other manufacturer is addressing in 2026, positioning itself not as a watered-down option, but as a genuinely high-performance small smartphone that respects pocket space without sacrificing speed, longevity, or everyday usability.